If you have a CardExchange Producer license, you may need to move it to a different computer at some point. The good news? This is completely possible. In today's video, we'll show you how to transfer your CardExchange Producer license while keeping all your data intact. Step 1. Backing up your data. Before moving your license, backing up your data is essential to ensure you don't lose any of your work. Navigate to User Public, Public Documents, CardExchange, copy the entire data folder and save it in a secure location, such as a USB drive or cloud storage. This backup will allow you to restore your templates and data on your new computer. Step 2. Installing CardExchange Producer on your new computer. Now that your data is backed up, you're ready to install the software on your new machine. Download and install CardExchange Producer from our website. Activate your license. If you need guidance on this step, check out our activation tutorial, linked in the top right corner or in the video description. At this point, you'll see the default templates and data in the software, and your license will be successfully activated. Step 3. Restoring your data. To bring back all your custom templates and settings, close CardExchange Producer. Go to the location of your current data folder, following the previously shown path. Rename the new data folder. Paste your backed up data folder into the same location. And restart CardExchange Producer. And that's it. All your data, templates, and settings are now restored on your new computer. Important to know is that after purchasing your license, you get up to 4 reactivations. Once all those 4 reactivations are used, 1 additional reactivation will become available to you each year. If you have any questions or need assistance during this process, our support team is happy to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using CardExchange Producer. See you next time.